guys hear and see that? That's called sizzle. Hi, welcome back. We let it go a little bit longer than 15 minutes because I knew I want to make sure these were done. I'm doing the poke test right now. They're just right, nice resistance. You see, you have a nice golden brown color to them. A little bit of a sear on the skin, what there is. Also, I'm probably going to nibble on the smallest of these as regular drumsticks, but I am probably going to pull the meat off the bone and use it for like fajitas and burritos and maybe some soup or whatever. So there's various uses you can do with roasted chicken. Now, if you're roasting larger pieces of chicken than this, then like thighs or quarters or even a whole chicken, you would have to adjust your cooking time accordingly. You know, the more meat, more poundage, more weight, mass will require more time to thoroughly cook your poultry meats. It's a lot different than red meats, where you can get away with more of a rare cooking time, and then finish it off as you need to in a flash cook or whatever, or as is, depending on your tastes. But again, or if you were actually using lower size things like literally like wings, then you would actually cook them for probably only to 30 minutes and they should be good to go. But total cooking time, if we start right from the beginning, we did our prep work while preheating the oven to about 390. Your actual temperature may vary. This is an electric oven and we are at higher altitude, so it requires higher cooking time and temperature. But we did start at about 390 for about 30 minutes. We applied butter. Actually, we did pre-spice and season with olive oil and spices to make sure we got a nice flavor. You can pre-marinate and pre-spice and let it absorb for some amount of time beforehand, but we were kind of in a rush today. So we did 30 minutes at 390. We basted with some slabs of butter. We did about 15 minutes at a little bit higher temp at 400. Then we backed it down to about 385. We basted with what meltings there were. There were not a lot of there's not a lot of rendered fat this time around, so you may have to observe that with each time you cook. You know, and be ready to adapt to what's happening rather than just blindly going with one straight cooking time and hoping for the best at the final outcome. But you should check every once in a while as you go, see how it's progressing. So again, after the first basting, we actually applied more butter and we cooked it for another 20 minutes. As I say, we just got back and we took it out and here we are. So we did cook about an hour and 5 minutes, maybe an hour 10 minutes, because some of these drumsticks are rather plump. And yeah, that's where we're at. You guys got any comments or questions? Feel free to drop them in the area below, and hope to see you next time we decide to cook something on the fly. Thanks for watching. Bye.